Hi Jason, this is Sarah reaching out to you from Top Marketing Co. I got your information from Kobe. I wanted to reach out to you and send you these 3 quick tips you can use today to start outranking your competition in the area. I don't like to waste time, so if by the end of this short video you feel like the information I share can help increase traffic to your website and grow your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to start using this information as you see fit. All I ask is that you give me a little bit of feedback at the end of the video if you don't mind. So I'm going to be talking about 3 quick things here today: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content is any words on the first page, any pictures, what's behind your pictures, and even what they are saved as is included in the content. We want to make sure that all images and pictures are saved under keywords our consumers are searching for on Google. This is very important. I also want to make sure we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. Now, I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to work in the appropriate number of keywords and phrases we need in order to start ranking on these top pages of Google. Now, that's content. Secondly, we have citations, and a citation is any online business directory where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. So for example, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Facebook, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. Now, citations help us by being able to rank for what we call the map pack on the first page of Google for any keywords our consumers are searching for. Now, how do we get here? We have a tool to show us exactly how many citations we have opposed to our competitor. The name of the game here is not only coming in and matching what our competition is doing in regards to citations, but we want to get more citations than our competition, and we want to make sure our Google My Business listing is optimized correctly so we can start outranking our competition and taking their traffic. And thirdly, we have backlinks, and backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site. A backlink is essentially when another website is linking back to our website, and what this does is it gives us relevance, power, and authority in Google's eyes so we can begin ranking organically on these pages. We have a tool to see how we are stacked up against our competition as well. So we plug in our information here, and we can see we have 127 referring domains, 1,090 backlinks. We're being found for 418 keywords, bringing us roughly 428 organic visitors a month. We can also see we're doing some paid ads here. Now, if we take a look at one of our top competitors in the area, we can see that they have 600 referring domains, 4,800 backlinks. They're being found for roughly 8,200 keywords, bringing them roughly 7,600 organic visitors a month, and they're doing a very small amount of paid ads. This is where we eventually want to be, have the bulk of our traffic coming in organically, and ads are just supplement to what we are doing. And we can accomplish this with this tool just like the citations. Come in here and match exactly what our competition is doing in regards to their backlinks, and then get more powerful, more relevant, and authoritative backlinks to our site and begin to outrank them and take their traffic. I have to ask you guys, if you had almost 7,600 organic visitors come to your site every month, what do you think it would do for your business? So with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up what opportunities are available, and if you feel like me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to have a chat with you. I'll leave my info in the description, but you can reach me directly at 312-375-1110. Hope you have a great day and speak to you soon.